Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Cardano and its valuation against Ethereum, looking at its progression from the bottom to the top of the trading channel. If you like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. So, in January, Cardano has been on an amazing run, one of the best runs in the market so far, and outpacing Ethereum, who is also having its own run during the month of January, and it outpaced at 173%. Where did that leave us? Well, Cardano on the Ethereum chart brought us to this level here, which we have talked about in the past. We talked about how important this level was. It was very consistent with Cardano every single time. It has, at least when it rallied, it got up to this level pretty consistently. Now the question is, and a lot of people would argue, is that, well, um, this time is different, and we're going to break above, like what we did here. Now you could argue that the market conditions are right now are the most similar than they are to here. However, I would say it's debatable. Yes, market conditions are fantastic for altcoins. There's no reason for, other than this theoretical line of resistance, that where Cardano can rally even higher against Ethereum like it did here in 2018. I would remind everyone, though, at this time Cardano was a brand new coin. It had that shiny new coin smell, like what we're seeing with Pancake Swap right now. Um, that's that's one argument I would make. It was a new coin, um, and it just had that upwards volatility. It came in at just the right time to make an amazing move. Okay. Um, I don't know if this is going to be replicated again. It can. I'm not saying it won't. I'm just saying, in my view, it's going to be very difficult for Cardano to do so. And this is, uh, I'm not talking about fundamentals. I'm just talking about price action on this channel, and especially with this video. When I talk about how Cardano cannot, in my opinion, it's very hard for Cardano to get above that level and shoot up this high again, is just looking at the price history. And looking at the price history, that's what indicates to me. If fundamentals prove any influence in your decision, and obviously Cardano has a lot of things going, and that would might sway you into believing that this is the case, that this will happen again, which by all means hold your position if that's it. Like, if price action is not that much of a concern to you of seeing these movements, then you have no reason to sell, I guess, and that's entirely your opinion. I'm of the idea that we should Cardano respects this line pretty hard, pretty consistently, and so we should expect something of the same again. Also, when we take a look at what Cardano's doing right now on the daily, it is trending down. I'm not saying that this is an indication that it's going to go straight down, um, to the back down, but we don't see um, Cardano lasting too long at that level, right? Like every single peak, except for one, and I'll get to it. Every single peak, a Cardano comes up, and then for a brief moment of time, and then the next day and the following days, it continues to go down. Now, the first one, we see something a little interesting. We see a run up first, comes back down, and a second run up. So we see a bounce. Where did that bounce happen? Well, it was at the 20-day. We see, in this span of time, Cardano was really respecting the 20-day. Um, and with that said, well, let's look at what Cardano is doing right now in relation to it. Well, it doesn't do much. Uh, it kind of just shot past it and didn't really look back. So um, here's one scenario. It can replicate what it did in the past one time, where it shot up, comes back down. Maybe it's going to make contact with the 20-week, and then we see another attempt up. And at that second attempt will be um, the moment where I think our questions will be answered. Uh, is Cardano going to break this level? Is it not? We'll see. So that's kind of one scenario I see with Cardano. I think it's going to continue to trend down as long as Bitcoin's being this volatile and moving up to new all-time highs. But at the same time, it does this pretty consistently. When it comes to this level, it comes back down. And at least with Ethereum, okay, remember this is the Cardano Ethereum chart. The US dollars is going to be fine. I mean, it's still at 90 cents, right? Yeah, 91 cents. So if you're concerned about the US dollar, then I guess this video is not for you. But I think Cardano versus Ethereum is an important chart to look at. I think it's one of the most important charts to look at if you're trading Cardano, because if you're not outpacing Ethereum, then why hold Cardano? At least for that stretch of time. Anyway, um, when we look down here, this is kind of like what I see as the next steps for Cardano. Cardano is going to still continue to trend down most likely with the moving at 20-day moving average coming up because it's a lagging indicator. It's going to make contact, and at that point, will it break like what it does here and here, or will it make it support and we see another attempt at the top and potentially breaking even higher? I think that that question is going to come fairly soon, and we'll see how long it will take. If if my crude drawings are any indication, maybe March 1st, but we'll see. Anyway, that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.